this video, I just want to demonstrate the new question types that are available. So I've created a survey with one of each of the new question types. When we go to select question type now, you can see them all in the menu. Yes, no, true, false, a custom dichotomous question, good, average, poor, agree, disagree, like, disagree, on 3 scale, got them on 5 scale, custom multiple answer, and open answer. So most of these are just regular radio options. The yes, no, the true, false. This is a custom one. We've got the good, average, poor scale. We disagree, 3, like, dislike, 3. Got good, average, poor, 5 scale. Agree, disagree, 5 scale. Frequency on a 5 scale. And a like and a dislike on a 5 scale. And then I've got the custom one. We can do anywhere between 2 and 10 options. I've got a multiple answer type. The student can select multiple off a list instead of just one. All the radio things will only allow one selection. And then there's an open-ended answer type question as well, where the student can just type arbitrary text. And so those are all in the survey. They are all working. So just to show the custom question here, it's asked you to select the number of options that you want to see. So you want 2 options, maybe 3, 5, whatever you like. The multiple answer, when we do it, it gives us 2 options at first. We can just keep adding other options. And so those are the new question types.